Level up your career in healthcare today.
And I am very, very excited to announce that dropping at this moment is our very first of many masterclasses. Our very first masterclass dropping right now is Mastering the Insurance Verification Process. And you'll be able to get access to that masterclass on the Teachable platform. Now listen, mastering the insurance verification process is a crucial component of what we in senior management call the revenue cycle management process. Here in the United States of America, insurance verification is an integral, a vital part of how we do business. Most of our services are reimbursed through insurance companies. So it is important to understand the different types of insurance that patients have, how those insurance companies work, and whether or not the medical providers that you are working for have access to those insurance companies. And you are going to get all those nuggets in our Mastering the Insurance Verification Process Masterclass.